Hey Leo Grill, seems like you got a lot of guns going on here. So, what do we have? You want to show us your guns real quick?
Yeah, sure.
So, is there one you want to talk about first off, or just should we start anywhere?
This one first.
That one first?
I like this Nerf gun because it has a little laser right here.
Oh, nice.
You do need batteries for it. I like it because it's pretty accurate.
That's pretty.
This was my first gun.
Nice. You said it has some laser?
Yeah, laser.
Let me see.
I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, there you go. There we have it.
Laser.
Nice. What else do you have going on?
This isn't part of Nerf. I don't know what this is, but it's a sniper rifle. So you put the bullet in here, the dart in here. Like that. You can shoot once.
Nice.
It also comes with a scope that you could attach. Pretty hard to attach. Oh, yeah, I can't attach it. You could attach the scope on it.
Okay.
There's this huge
That one's
revolver.
pretty cool.
You could hold 6 darts in it.
Looks
Cool.
nice. What else we have going on?
We have
Whoa.
this rifle. You shoot it by, well, you could already shoot it, but you shoot it, you pull it back, you shoot it again.
Let me see the sample real quick.
It's a pump action.
Go ahead. Is it like a shot? Oh, nice. Is there like any pieces or anything that you could like add on or take off?
Yeah. There is
Oh, cool.
this barrel. And there's the stock. Right here.
Nice.
Without the attachments, it looks like this.
Holy crap, the seal looks cool.
Yep. Alright, this is probably my smallest Nerf gun.
That's pretty small. How many shots does it?
3.
3? Nice.
We also have this one. You could shoot it once, but you gotta put another dart in it, and it could hold 3.
So it's just one at a time,
One at a
and it's got like some holes there where you can hold a couple of bullets.
Yep.
Cool. What else we have?
Then we have these 2 pistols. Well, it's one huge one.
So it's like 2 in 1?
Basically, you could do this and have it like that, or you could just do one.
Nice. How many bullets can it hold?
It could hold when you have 2 of them, they can each hold 2, or when you have like just the one, it can hold 4.
Can you shoot all 4 of them at the same time, or it's just 2 at a time?
No, it only shoots. So if you have it like this, it shoots 1 at a time. If you have it with one, if you have it as one gun, it shoots 2. Yeah, it shoots 2 at a time. And
Cool. That's cool. What about this one, this yellow one?
this is a Nerf X-Shot. It's a cool pump action shotgun.
Oh, cool.
2 bullets in there.
Breaks in half. To reload.
Pull back and shoot.
Nice.
Oh wait, by the way, you could store any darts in here.
Oh, cool. Let me see it. She got a little space there for darts.
Yeah, it holds about like 4. And then we have this scope. It's actually a night vision scope and day vision. I'm gonna turn it on. Nerf.
Cool.
Can you see through it?
Yep. You can see right through it.
Cool.
So what's up with that one? So you can see in the dark, or?
Yes, you could have night vision, day vision, and you could turn it off. And this is to zoom in or zoom out.
Cool. Is that a an add-on for Nerf, or is it non-Nerf?
Oh, it's Nerf.
Can
I
you
could
see?
attach this one. So it's kind of hard to put on.
It's okay.
There we go. Wrong way. Let's attach it again. Kind of wobbly.
Oh, that's pretty cool. It looks nice. Looks pretty dope. You feel me?
And then we have this gun. I don't know why
Wait, what's up?
I don't know why I showed you this, but not this. So it's automatic. You hold this down and you can shoot. If you don't hold it down, you can't shoot.
Nice, cool.
So take it out like that.
Is this like one of those that you could break apart, or?
Yes, there's this one. Look right. And then there's this.
Nice.
And there's this.
Nice. What about this beauty over here?
Alright, here. This is what we use to scare away some dogs. Wiggle.
That looks like a beast. It sounds pretty heavy too.
Yep. This is pretty strong.
Okay.
There's a little safety right here.
Let me see it.
On your left side, if this is not out, you go right here, and then it's out, and then you can shoot it. Every time you want to shoot it, you gotta pull it back though.
Nice.
And last, we got the magazine.
Nice. Extra ammo.
Yep.
Well, those are cool. Thank you for.
Can I hold 18 darts?
Cool. Which one's your favorite? Which one is your weapon of choice?
Probably this one. Here. Oops. How do I do that? Oh yeah, you take the magazine out with this.
Cool.
So you can go.
Cool.
Yep.
All right. Well, hopefully you do another video.
Oh yeah.
Show the people how do they shoot,
Yeah, we'll
kind of
show
stuff
you
like
guys.
that, outdoors.
We'll show you guys how to we're gonna fire all these guns outside in our backyard.
Nice. Maybe a little battle.
Coming soon.
All right. We'll see you later.
Don't forget to subscribe.